So for now, focus tayo sa bahay na natin. Pwede na natin itong i-label dahil na-report na natin yung kapitbahay natin. Di ba? So try to match it first. Okay. Match naman po yung ating label or yung ating base ng label. Pero ito, tatanggalin ko lang to, aayusin ko lang, and I will be using Z tool. Okay? Z tool for repair tools. Okay? Na-match ko na po siya perfectly yung base ng bahay dito sa left frame. So now, all I need to do is to select this label, long press Control, and then drag the 3D. And as you can see, habang dinadrag ko siya, dito sa right frame, gumagalaw din yung bahay. Nagkakaroon pa ng red dash line. Right? So all you need to do is to match the building or the red dash line sa corner ng bahay para ma-capture yung buong bahay. If not, if malayo siya, ganito siya, tapos match na yung red dash line, you have to select this one dito sa right frame and long press shift para i-adjust yung bahay paakyat. And that would be perfect enough. Okay? Sir, may mga offset ka po sa gilid. Okay? Hindi po siya ganun ka-match, sir. That is still good. Nasa low quality requirements tayo, guys. It means, pag low quality requirements, mga ganito, kaliit, hindi na ito kailangan ayusin. Okay? Pero inayos ko lang, syempre. Training to eh. Dapat maayos tayo. Okay? So for this part, or for that kind of error, pwede lang natin i-ignore yan. Small errors yan, actually. We can ignore those. Okay? And then right after na ma-match na natin. So now we have one perfectly matched frame. Okay? Hanap tayo sa ibang frames. Meron po tayong 4 na frame. So just click F1 or F2 para mag-shift siya ng frame. So that would be 2 perfectly matched building. Right? Or 2 perfectly matched frames. So now all we need to do is to click F3 again. F3 po. F3. Hindi F4, F3. So click F3 to confirm and another F1. Kung okay na yung bahay, F3 and then F3. And in that sense, hindi ko na siya kailangan i-multi-layer kasi po, bakit? Anyone could give a clue? Hindi ko na siya kailangan i-multi-layer. Why?
Residential, sir.
And then?
No, sir.
Okay naman yung pagkaka-label, sir.
Okay.
Match na.
Okay. Again, dito sa 3D matching project, even if residential houses, kailangan nating i-multi-layer. Pero, for the kailangan nating i-multi-layer if hindi siya nagkaka-match. Copy? Do you get me? Kapag hindi siya nagkaka-match, tsaka natin i-multi-layer. Pero kapag match na, we do not have to do multi-layer actually. Okay? So for this map, I'm done with it. Pwede ko na itong ipasa, lipat sa kabila. So that would be one map na. Right? Lipat tayo dito. So for this map, this is a pushback task. Okay? Gawa ito ni XF, Andro, ewan ko kung sino siya. So yung ginawa po niya, ito, ginawa po yun niyang piatos yung bahay. Okay? So hindi po natin pwedeng gawing piatos yung bahay. Okay? Like that. Alam niyo yung bahay, guys, meron niyang roof ridge. Roof ridge is this part right here, kung saan mataas yung part ng bahay. Ito yung roof ridge na sinasabi ko. So for example, yung bahay, ganito yung shape ng roof niya, kagaya niyo ng drawing niyo ng mga bata kayo. Ganyan. As you can see po, ito yung matulis na part, pagpasensyahan niyo na din yung drawing ko, ayan po yung sinasabing roof ridge. And this part right here na nasa baba, that is the roof base. So yung kina-capture po natin dito is yung base ng roof, hindi po yung roof ridge. Okay? So for this map, again, tignan natin ulit yung label, previews, checker. Hindi ko na siya maback. Ayan. As you can see po, ginawa po talaga niyang piatos yung bahay. Ang sagwa, tignan, di ba? And as you can see, ginawa nga niyang piatos yung bahay, di ba? Pangit yung part na to, compare dito. Di ba? So all we need to do is to delete this label and then relabel as a straight line. Ganyan lang. Okay? And then from there, ayan na po yung base ng bahay natin. Okay? And we're down to the next stage. So all we need to do is to select this building, long press control, i-match natin yung bahay sa label. And that would be perfect enough na yung bahay natin para dyan. Okay? Sir, yung 3D mo po, awas or apaw hanggang ground. Guys, hindi po importante yung green 3D dito sa 3D matching. That is not important. We can ignore and we should ignore that. Okay? Hindi yan kailangan na galawin nyo, gas ganyan, i-fit nyo sa bahay yung 3D. Hindi po yan ganito sa 3D matching. Okay? As long as mag-match yung bahay, yung 3D, wala kami pakialam sa kulay green. Okay? And in this sense, perfectly matched na po yung bahay natin. Why? Anyone could know the idea? Bakit? Pwede kayo mag-give thoughts. Hello? And in this sense, I said, perfectly matched na po yung bahay natin. So, paano? Kasi sir, may missing part pa naman po yung nasa gilid do. Paano naging perfectly matched to?
Print po yung kinuha. Print po.
Okay. Yung base ng roof yung kinuha natin. Okay, yung base ng roof. So, perfectly matched na yan. Wala itong kwenta kasi mataas to na part. Okay? And as you can see, dito kayo mag-base. That is good enough. Okay? So, for this map, I just have to click F3 to confirm. Lipat sa kabilang frame. This frame, half yung nakikita, half yung hindi. Okay? Pero, as long as nakikita natin yung part na yan ng bahay na litaw, we can match the building perfectly. Okay? Match natin yung corner niya perfectly. So, that would be perfect enough. Sir, may ground sa gilid. Guys, low quality requirements tayo. For this offset, that is okay lang. We have to ignore that. So, for this one, finish na ako dyan. Lipat sa kabila. This one, or this frame, perfectly match na rin siya. Okay? So, meron na akong 3 frames na perfect ko na. 4th frame. For this 4th frame, again, yung bahay na to, bakit ganyan yung itsura niya?
May angle po yung image. Kaya po naging ganyan. Pero tama pa po yung base.
Tama yung base natin. And as you can see, dito sa part na to, perfectly drawn yung base natin. Siguro hindi, pero i-move natin konti. 'Di ba? Perfectly drawn yung base natin. So that would be perfect enough to submit. So for this map, I'm done with it na. Submit again. Lipat sa isa pang frame, isa pang map. So for this map, okay? Pagpasok sa atin ng mapa, ganun yung itsura. Press letter Q. Guys, press letter Q. Paki-take note, press letter Q. Para makita natin kung anong sitwasyon ng bahay natin. Okay. So as you can see, yung red label natin, merong blue label. Hindi natin makikita yan kung hindi tayo magpe-press ng letter Q. Ganyan. Diba? Kaya pinapapress ko kayo ng letter Q. So for this building right here, ano yung problema? Na-label na siya ng kapitbahay. So kung na-label na ng kapitbahay, all we need to do is to delete this building. Hayaan na natin sa kanya yan. Magpaubaya na tayo. Sabi nga ni Moira. Diba? Paubaya. Huwag na nating habulin. Masasaktan tayo dyan. Okay? So for this building right here, as you can see, hindi match yung base ng bahay. Diba? Awas or apaw. So yung gagawin lang para mas madali, delete and then draw a box. Select, drag 3D. And as you can see, newbies, meron lang red dash line. Okay? Tapos tignan nyo to. Yung corner ng bahay, every corner meron yung red dash line. And as you can see, kapag nag-drag kayo ng bahay, uy, pinapahiya mo kung mag-drag ka. Meron yang red dash line na nakakonekta. So make sure nyo lang na yung red dash line na yan is pumalo or tumama sa corner ng roof na gusto nating i-capture. Kahit ganyan pa kalayo pag matching nyo. As you can see, yung red dash line match sa corner. That would be perfect enough to let go. Okay? Parang sakit nun ah. So now select this one. Long press shift. Angat natin. And all goods na po yan. Okay? Lipat sa kabilang frame. This one. Oh, sir, nasa black part. Pero, lutang pa rin naman yung corner na to. Flat naman yung bahay. Ima-match ko na lang siya. Confirm ko pa rin. Di ba? Tapos, oh, sir, kalahati lang din yung bahay. Nasa block image. As long as nagmamatch yung corners na visible, that would be fine to confirm. For this one, confirm as well. So, pasa. Lipat naman sa kabila, isang frame again. So, for this one, ano yung unang gagawin?
Q.
Nakuha. Okay, press Q. Mayroong blue na bahay. Anong gagawin?
Label.
Ha?
Report, sir, report.
Delete
Merong
red.
blue na.
Delete na po yung label, sir.
Anong report, Sir
Delete.
Troy? Kagaya nga ng sabi ko, kapag may label na, kapag nakuha na ng iba, wag nyo nang habulin, masasaktan lang kayo.
I-delete na lang, sir.
Wag nyo nang i-report, baka mamaya balik. Wag nyo nang i-report, baka mamaya balik ta rin pa, kayo pa yung may kasalanan, di ba?
Yung akin na nakita ko, sir, hindi pala yun sa'yo.
Oo. So, medyo stop working muna kung gusto nyo makaintindi naman.
Sir, na-off ko na.
Okay. So for this part right here again, or for this map right here, wala akong gagawin. Just delete and then submit. Kasi nakuha na eh. Bahala na siya dyan. Mali man yung shape nga niya, eh nakuha na, bahala siya. Ayoko nang habulin. Pagod ako. Diba? Kung ayaw niya, edi wag. Love you, Bab.
Moira, sir.
Amen.
Okay. So for this map, again, wala. So for this map right here, guys, as you can see, perfectly match yung label ng system. So all we need to do na lang is to select dito sa right frame, long press shift, i-match natin. Again, next frame, perfectly matched. So all we need to do is to confirm. Click F3. Lipat sa kabila, F3. Lipat sa kabila, F3. Okay na yan, F3 pa rin. Pasa. Okay. Next, medyo mahirap to. Okay? So, baka minamalas tayo sa mapa na to. So, for this map, as you can see, this is a multi-layered building. Right?